Find me where the wild go.
Hey guys, so today's video is how to do a photo shoot on a budget. Now, the most important thing about a photo shoot is going to be the lighting. Now, prior to me investing in studio lights, like I'm going to show you guys, I use natural light. I used to always go to the park or Venice Beach, which those are my two favorite locations to do photo shoots. I love natural lighting, but when you have bad weather or when the sun goes down, you cannot take pictures, basically, because the picture's not going to be coming out as popping. So you have to invest in lights. Now, I use 2 studio lights and a softbox light. Right now I'm only using 1 studio light right here. I paid $20 for 2 on Amazon.com for the studio lights. And I paid about $25 for the softbox light. Now, for the photos that I do, I put one of the studio lights on either side, and I put the softbox light right next to the camera. So now we talk about the lighting. Now let's talk about, let's see, what's the next? Okay, let's do cameras. Let's talk about the cameras. Now, the camera that I'm using, I use my phone, and this phone that I use is the Android. The pictures, I like the pictures. I like the pictures that come out. I just edit it on my phone. I use this, and I use my camera that I'm using this video for. Now, this camera is not, it's an older version. It's a Canon XD. I had it for years, and actually it was given to me by a friend who upgraded his camera, and he just gave it to me. So it was actually a blessing, because like, it's a long story, but anyway. So I'm still using that camera, and I still don't have any problems with it. So okay, so we talked about the camera and the lighting. So let's talk about the backdrop. Now, for the backdrop, you can use anything that you want. The previous photo shoot I had, I had a photographer, he had all white background. It was okay, and I got it was okay. So I did my research on Amazon, and I found my own backdrop stand. The stand I paid, it came up to $40 just for the stand, and it's 10 foot high. So I went to the fabric store in downtown, the fashion fabric store, and then I created like my own little DIY, I guess, backdrop. So I got of the gold, okay, I got, let me remember what he said. So since it's 10 foot high, I got 4 yards of the gold, 1 yard of the champagne, and I think that's the right. I should have wrote it down. So anyway, I wish that the gold was long enough from the 10 foot to the ground, but I wish that I got it 2, because it wasn't long and wide enough for the whole dimension, square, whatever. But we made it work. My mom cut it. She cut a half of it, and it made it a bigger, if that makes sense. But it came out to looking pretty nice. It came out looking nice, and I really did like the champagne. Really do. Okay, so what else? I feel like I'm forgetting to tell you guys something. We talked about the lighting. We talked about the cameras, photographer, and the backdrops. Okay. Oh, let's talk about the model, like physical models. Now, if you don't want to model yourself, or you don't have anybody else to model, you can always resort to mannequins. I have mannequins, and I also have models. Now, the models I use are some of my friends, and I have my cousin. And I had to do this photo shoot. Me and my mom, we had to do this photo shoot because it's kind of hard when you have models that are busy and that work. So you guys' schedule has to basically match. Like, it's a lot. So those are my tips on how to do a photo shoot on a budget. And I hope that it's helpful for anyone who is trying to start a business. Now, if you have not subscribed, please do so. My channel is all about entrepreneur life. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys have a great day.